Good morning from Patrick. Here I feature the whole new model series door lock kit. Most of them are E7 series, E6. So here we have a few things I'd like to show. These are the outer door handles. These are the outer door handles. You know, the outer door handles that you pull while opening the door from the outside. There's more to show. Inside there's this. This is it has the ignition barrel, the key barrel for the ignition. It's a very small thing. It enters into the key ignition system. So this is the key barrel. There are two outer door lock key barrels. These go to the outer part of the door. So these are two outer door locks. There's the key. This is an original Howo key, as you can see. The key opens all three locks. It opens the door locks and the ignition barrel. As we come here, there's the inner door handles. These are the brackets for the inner door handles. These two. We can go forward. There's this bracket holder. This is from the inner side. This holds the inner lock, the mechanisms. So there's these plastics. There's the mounts. There's the bolts that are mounted to the body. There's the inner mechanisms. These two are the inner mechanisms. These control how the door is opened from both sides. So this is the door lock mechanisms. This fits Howo 7. The door lock mechanisms comes with the cable. As you can see, the plastic harness. It's a full gear to the end. There are two. You can see they're both left and right, featuring both sides. This is the left hand side and the right hand side. All are original. All have the original OEMs. All are original. All products, as you can see, the original OEMs from Howo, from CNHTC to be specific. These also, you can see these are inner door mounts. There's the left and right. This is the left hand side here, and this is the right hand side here. This is the right side. So all locks. It's a full kit for both doors. If you're for a door lock repair system, it isn't expensive. It's an inexpensive kit unless you want the inner parts separately. These handles also feature the right and left. As you can see, they have the right. This panel is situated on the leftmost part, and this is situated on the rightmost part, featuring the left and right system. So there are also these wires. These feature the locks. These are the locks. They call the wire that join the two, the wall, the mechanism kit.